Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log in into your First Citizens bank account. So follow some simple steps with me. First of all, open your web browser and in the search bar, type in firstcitizens.com. It will take you to the official website of First Citizens Bank. And in this interface, you can see the login button at the top right corner. Click on it. And over here, choose your login type. And enter the ID of your account, and over here enter the password of your account. Once you do that, click on login. You will be logged into your First Citizens bank account. And if you guys haven't yet enrolled into First Citizens bank, click here enroll now. And in case if you have forgotten your login credentials, click here forgot ID or forgot password to reset it. So this is how you can log in into your First Citizens bank account. And if you want to create a new account on First Citizens Bank, click here first time login. So this was for this video. Hope you guys understand and find our video helpful. If you did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. And also hit the bell icon for latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video. Thank you guys for watching.